In this video, we'll look at how to solve another inequality with absolute values. The difference here is that we'll find solutions to the inequality absolute value of 2x plus 3 is less than the absolute value of 3x plus 7. In previous examples, we only had the absolute value on one side. But still, it will be a good first step to solve the equality that goes along with it. So let's start by solving the equality absolute value of 2x plus 3 equals the absolute value of 3x plus 7. We have already solved this equality. If you would like to see it again, click the purple link now. Solving this, we get that x equals -2 and x equals -4 as the solutions to the equality absolute value of 2x plus 3 equals the absolute value of 3x plus 7. On the number line, we mark where the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. Now, we know on each of these three regions individually, we have that either the absolute value of 2x plus 3 is less than the absolute value of 3x plus 7 for every value, and they're all solutions, or the absolute value of 2x plus 3 is bigger than the absolute value of 3x plus 7 for every value on the region, meaning there's no solutions on that region. So we need to check each region to see which are solutions. To check which regions have solutions, we'll start with the first one, x is less than -4. Here, we can pick the number x equals -5. For x equals -5, we can compute the left-hand side as the absolute value of 2 times -5 plus 3, which is the absolute value of -10 plus 3, which is the absolute value of -7, which is 7. On the right-hand side, we have the absolute value of 3 times -5 plus 7, which is the absolute value of -15 plus 7, or the absolute value of 8, which is 8. So we found that the left-hand side is 7 and the right-hand side is 8 when x equals -5. Since 7 is less than 8, x equals -5 is a solution. And because x equals -5 is a solution, every value of x on this region, x less than -4, is a solution as well. Let's continue on with our other regions. On the region x between -4 and -2, let's pick the number x equals -3. If x equals -3, the left-hand side is the absolute value of 2 times -3 plus 3, which is the absolute value of -6 plus 3, or the absolute value of -3, which is 3. On the right-hand side, we have the absolute value of 3 times -3 plus 7, which is the absolute value of -9 plus 7, which is the absolute value of -2, or 2. Here, the left-hand side is 3 and the right-hand side is 2. But 3 is not less than 2, so the left-hand side is not less than the right-hand side, so x equals -3 is not a solution. And because x equals -3 is not a solution, every value of x between -4 and -2 are not solutions as well. Finally, we need to check the region x is bigger than -2. Here, we can pick the number x equals 0. If x equals 0, the left-hand side is the absolute value of 2 times 0 plus 3, which is 3. The right-hand side is the absolute value of 3 times 0 plus 7, which is 7. Since the left-hand side is less than the right-hand side here, x equals 0 is a solution. And because x equals 0 is a solution, every value of x bigger than -2 must be a solution as well. So we can conclude that the solutions to the absolute value of 2x plus 3 less than the absolute value of 3x plus 7 are all the values of x from -infinity up to -4 and from -2 off to infinity. This is written below in interval notation, which is what web work will expect.